Systems that are less likely to develop are the ones that are closer to the U.S. coastline. So I very quickly want to address that. I still believe we need to watch this front just because its proximity to us. And there has been one or two model runs that spin up like a weak depression, maybe tropical storm along the Gulf Coast or mid-Atlantic. So if we were to see that develop, it's just so close to us, there's not a lot of time to react. Wouldn't be a major hurricane. Again, this is a very low threat that they might see a fast spin up in that region. This is an upper level low, and it is not in the models consistently seeing any development, but the environment to the west is pretty juicy. So just again, those two areas, want to watch at least through Monday or Tuesday. If we haven't seen anything, I think the threat is over at that point, and it is a very, very minor threat, as the models have not been consistent on any development. But just because of the proximity to us, I just want you knowing that these are two areas that I'm watching for a possible spin-up. The more reliable, higher confident regions that we're keeping an eye on, American has been favoring this Labor Day system coming up from areas of the Southern Caribbean, developing more in between Haiti and Cuba, and then going into the Gulf. Very low consistent thinking after that as to whether it be Texas, Louisiana, or Florida. Right now, lately favoring Texas. European does not develop that system. Doesn't mean it won't. I just to show you the discrepancy, but is leaning more into these longer range systems that are Labor Day weekend and just beyond. And no matter what we do see in the days ahead, as odd as it sounds, and by the way, Danielle's the next name in the lineup, the exact locations you don't have to be concerned with just yet. And I know that's counterintuitive. We will get that nailed down in the next few days. The long range, it's just too much uncertainty. And I don't want to cause anxiety, say it's over here, that kind of thing. We'll get that nailed down. Because there is agreement on the basin through Labor Day weekend, I do think we will want to continue our briefings each and every day over the next few weeks. So keep checking back. I'll have either a video or a graphics post for you, so you'll have the latest through the weekend.